Hooray! Today we will learn the phrase argue somebody out of something. It means to persuade someone not to do something. For example, if you convince your friend not to quit a job, you have argued them out of quitting. You use it to show changing someone's mind by giving reasons. The structure is argue somebody out of a something. For example, I argued him out of buying a car. You can also say, she argued her brother out of going on a trip. Remember, argue somebody out of something is separable. The person goes between argue and out of. This phrase is useful in everyday conversations. It helps you explain how you stop someone from doing something. A similar phrase is talk somebody out of something, but that is more informal. The opposite is argue somebody into something, which means persuading someone to do something. Try to use it when you want to describe persuasion. For example, I argued my friend out of making a bad decision. Practice by making your own sentences with this phrase. It's a great way to improve your English speaking skills. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.